This video will show you how to find zeros on the calculator. A zero occurs when a graph crosses or touches the x-axis. They're also called x-intercepts. We have a function here, f of x equals x to the third plus 4x squared plus x minus 3. And suppose that we need to find the zeros for this function. First, we'll need to graph it. Press a y equals key. Type in x to the third plus 4x squared plus x minus 3. I'm going to use a standard window. Zoom, number 6. Alright, now this is a look at the function. The zeros are where it crosses here the x-axis. So we've got 1 0 right here. This is our second 0 and a third. Now we need to find 1 0 at a time using the commands in the calculator. Press second, calculate, and we see that command number 2 is 0. Choose that command. Now the calculator asks for a left bound and then it will ask for a right bound and a guess, just like the maximums and minimums. So I'm going to start over on the left side. I'm going to find the first 0. Alright, so the first 0 is right here where it crosses. The left bound will be someplace down below it. This is on the left side of the 0. The numbers at the bottom do not matter. They can be anything, but as long as you're on the left side. Press enter. Now it asks for a right bound, so I'm going to move the cursor up on the other side of the x-axis, and this will be the right bound. So notice we did the left bound below and the right bound above. We're doing it this way because the function is going up and it's increasing. Alright, now press enter and then guess. I'll move the cursor back down by the 0. Should be right about there. Press enter one more time and the calculator finds a 0 for us. It's negative 3.46. Alright, we're going to find the other two zeros a similar way. Notice here that the function is decreasing. The 0 is right here where it crosses the axis. So our left bound will be up above and the right bound will be down below this time. Press second trace. Command number 2 is for the 0. And then I'll move the cursor over. Alright, now this will be the left bound. Since the function is decreasing, this is on the left side. Press enter here. Now go below the x-axis for the right bound. Okay, so our right bound would be right about here. Press enter again, and then I move the cursor back a little bit and guess where it crosses. Press enter again. So the 0 is negative 1.24. Alright, and then we have one more to find right here. Notice that the function comes up, it's increasing on the right side, so the left bound will be down below and the right bound will be up above. Second, trace for calculate. Command number 2, 0, and I move the cursor closer. Alright, so now it's down below the x-axis, it's on the left side. I'm going to press enter, and then I'm going to move it to the right, up above. This will be the right bound. Press enter again. And then I'll move the cursor back down by the x-axis, and that'll be the guess. Enter one more time. All right, so the 0 will be 0.699, but I'm going to round that to 0.70. Okay, so these are all x values. The 0 is always an x value where it crosses the x-axis.